Okay, so this is my second attempt to make a shorter video. The first one was way too long. Anyway, I'm in Kyoto now, and I just want to show you my room and like the vending machine and some other stuff around here. So here's my room. You can see I've got my nice pajamas on here that I won't wear, but oh well, just in case. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a couple interesting parts of the room here. Bad spelling on the right hand side there. Return. That's fun. Okay, and that's all. And some of the same stuff. You got your nice shoes to wear in your room. I'm just wearing my regular ones. Oh well. So let me take you right into the bathroom, the most interesting part of the hotel. And you can't understand the language here, but no worries. It just means turn the light on. That's easy to figure out, eh? Okay. So now we're in the bathroom. It's about as small as the Shinagawa Prince one in the last video I showed you. Not too much different here. You see the same very deep tub here. The one thing that's interesting is the water comes in through one place here. So for your shower, here's the shower head, which you can move around and point wherever. So this is attached right into the sink here, and it comes through, and you just so now it's on shower. I'll switch it over. So if you want to wash your hands, there we go, and then you just switch it over and you want to use the shower. Fairly simple, right? You can see, let me turn this off. So you can see that the sink is kind of hanging over a bit. That's because when you're in the shower, you know, you want to adjust the temperature controls so you don't, you know, chill yourself or burn yourself. So that's interesting. And so here's the other thing. I didn't show you the bidet in the last video, so I thought I'd show you now. So now, you know, everything has been cleaned. I'm not embarrassed to show you any of the bathroom here. So let me show you the toilet. Yes, this is as close as you want to get to it. So there's the little shooter jet. And what happens is when you sit down here, so let me simulate sitting down. It starts to fill up with water. So it's like, it's preparing itself basically. It's somewhat annoying because I don't use the bidet at all. So, you know, I press the stop button and hopefully it stops. Okay, so now it's all filled up. That was actually faster than usual. And then you can control the, you know, the speed at which it comes out and everything. In this case, I just want to show you the thing in action. So so I have to pretend that I'm still sitting down, press the button, and watch the thing come out. Oh! Can you get that? So it just like shot across the room. Let me try that again. Fill it up. And now there we go. Hey, there's no water in them. Hold on. Let's try this again. Okay, fill up. Pretend that I'm still here. It's warm, it's warm. Okay, I'm done. Oh, that's nasty. Okay. So it's pretty smart actually. It won't shoot out unless you're sitting down on there. Okay, that's kind of disgusting. It's just water basically. But it's coming out of the toilet. Yeah, now it's on the carpet, but oh well. It'll dry up. So okay. Well, that's about it. This is my normal room, my TV, and then my view outside. Yep, it's Kyoto. Pretty cool. Yeah, no screen on there, so I could jump out if I want. No point. One thing I will say about the TV is that the stations in the area seem to be a lot more interesting. There's lot more like documentary style TVs. Not like there are other crazy shows, you know, from Tokyo and stuff that have all the celebrities on them, and basically a waste of time. But anyway, when I was watching it, I saw some more interesting stuff, but still, it's TV. It's boring. So let me just take you outside to the vending machines. So I probably won't say much, but I just want to show them off real quick. It's beer. Okay, so that's it. That's all I wanted to show you, really. Focus. Close enough. So thanks for watching. Hope it wasn't too long or boring, but yep, I'm in Kyoto, so taking a brief break, and that's it for now. See ya.